Good morning. I'm Grant Blackwell with Coastal Insurance Agency. We're one of the larger agencies on the coast, and we also specialize in luxury home insurance. We are blessed to insure probably a couple of thousand luxury homes all the way from Destin to Naples. I can't talk about luxury home insurance without giving a little real quick brief history. I came here 20 years ago, and we only had two or three insurance companies that would even write insurance in our area. It was an absolute war just to try to get things insured. Things have improved over the years. It's evolved. We now have about 50 insurance companies that will insure homes in our area or the state as a whole. And these carriers all sell what's called a standard homeowners policy. Most of you are insured on a standard homeowners policy. These policies are designed for the average home, and they perform fairly well for an average home. They do not perform very well for a luxury home. The first thing we have to do is define a luxury home. A luxury home is, by insurance terms, is defined as a home insured for $1 million or more. A lot of people refer to that in our industry as high value homes. If your home is insured for $1 million or more, you need to consider getting a luxury homeowners insurance policy. As I said, there are two types of policies. There's a standard homeowners policy designed for the average home, which a lot of you guys are insured on, and then there's a luxury homeowners policy that only handles homes insured for $1 million or more. Obviously, there's a reason that policy's there. It's a better policy for you. Let me give you some examples. On a standard homeowners policy, if we have a hurricane and your sewage system backs up into your house and pours sewage through your toilets into your house, you only have $5,000 in coverage for that on a standard homeowners policy. That's not enough for anybody in Florida, much less a luxury homeowners policy. But that's all we've got. In a hurricane environment, that claim scenario is real. And these neighborhoods like Burnt Pine, the Retreat, all these neighborhoods where trees have been there for a while, these roots get in those systems, that water starts to back up, and you've got a mess on your hands. You got $5,000 in coverage with a $250,000 claim. Next thing is going to be prevalent after a hurricane. You're going to get assessments from your homeowners association. Those assessments on your current standard homeowners policy are only covered for $1,000 on the basic policy form. Some people have those increased to about $3,000. That's it. What good is that going to do you with a $40,000 assessment or a $25,000 assessment from your neighborhood association for your share of the damage to the amenities on that property? The third thing is huge. It's a big deal. Every day I deal with this is mold coverage. The standard policy basic mold limit is $10,000. What in the heck are you going to do with that? When you come home from your home and you vacated, you got out of town, you come back, AC's been off, house is covered with mold, your Henry Don sofas are covered with mold, everything's covered with mold. You got $10,000 in coverage to clean that up. Most of your policies can be endorsed to a higher limit. It's still not enough coverage. That mold damage can easily be another $250,000. What if that sewage claim occurred and the mold damage occurred? You'd have a $500,000 claim with basically no coverage. These limitations go on. And again, it's nobody's fault because until recently, our area was not given the opportunity to buy luxury homeowners policies on a significant basis. A few homes here have Chubb, few homes here have AIG, a few homes now have Pure. Pure and Vault insurance companies are two that are currently eagerly writing business here for luxury homes. There are only four total: Chubb, AIG, Vault, and Pure. Chubb and AIG are not actively seeking business in our area. They might occasionally write something. AIG is actually canceling most of the policies in our area. If you have AIG, you need to look into it because you're probably going to be canceled on your renewal. Now, you owe it to yourself if you own a luxury home, I know it's an overused term, to get a look at these luxury home policies. Not only can it solve all the problems we just talked about, but they're so manageable. We can do so many things with them. We can create them through they're actually perfect for your house, whereas no two are exactly alike. Yours is designed and customized solely to your house. We can put collectibles coverage on it, jewelry coverage on it, guns. We can put art and even cyber coverage. I'll tell you another claim that you're not covered for right now. let's say that you wire money to your attorney and he your wiring instructions to your attorney to transact a sale or buy a purchase of real estate or some other purchase. A few minutes later, you get an email back and it says you need to resend that information. They were missing a number, so you resend it. Your money comes out of your account just as planned. The transaction is closed. Only the next day you realize that transaction was run twice. A cyber bandit sent you that second email, took $250,000 out of your account, and you have zero coverage for that under your homeowner's policy. We can add that coverage under the cyber coverage with some of these carriers. And that's a big issue for some of you guys that work from home, that do business transactions from your home. And so, as you see, these policies are so much better. It's amazing the difference. But you got to qualify for them. Everybody doesn't qualify, and yeah, they cost a little bit more money. They're not a lot more money, though. It's amazing how much more coverage that you get proportionally to the premium. So do yourself a favor. Talk to me about this issue. Call me on my cell phone. I'm working from home on the Bay now, as you can see, during this troubled time that we're having. And let's talk about it. My number is 850-699-8088. Even better, shoot me a text, 850-699-8088. Shoot me a text, and we'll arrange a time to talk, and I'll give you a call. I can always be reached at my office, which I'm in the book, so to speak, online at 850-231-0042, or you shoot me an email, grant@coastalcoverage.com. I'm eager to put my experts to work for you. You need to do this. You're going to kick yourself if you don't do it after the hurricane. See you later. Y'all take care of yourself and be safe.